In 2002, the Netherlands was the first country in the world to set energy performance standards for houses. That means if someone wants to build a new house, you need a building permit and the energy performance should be below a certain level. This has to be measured with other standards developed by industry. The performance requirements for houses have been tightened several times. And it's a challenge for the architects and for the construction companies how to meet these tightened energy performance requirements. And this leads to innovation. Innovation of products used in houses, innovation of the design of houses, and also innovation of the way companies cooperate in the sector.
The researchers found the first response of builders and architects to the tightening of energy standards is to use improved versions of existing products, like thicker insulation or better heating boilers. When those measures are no longer enough, they resolve to more systemic innovations, like using heat pumps or solar panels. Another way of meeting the standards is to form a team of designers, installation specialists, architects, and construction experts. Together, they design a plan for a standard house that can be used over and over. Tightening energy standards also led to innovative forms of cooperation. For example, when everyone involved in the building process decides to separate the energy generation and supply from the construction of a number of houses, an outside unit then generates energy for each part of the neighborhood. Imagine power generated very locally from solar or wind and distributed to just a small number of houses. This makes it easier to design houses. Finally, the researchers found that sometimes construction projects have a system integrator. This is someone who makes sure everyone involved in the construction is linked together. The architects, the builders, and the installation companies, so they cooperate in the best possible way to meet the energy standards.
Our research reveals tightening of energy performance standards leads to better energy performance of houses. That's self-evident. But it also leads to innovation in the sector in several ways. And in a way that doesn't cost government anything. If they would have used subsidies, it would cost them money. Now it's for free.